If you have never used ChatGPT before, or you tried it once and thought, okay, now what? This video is for you. ChatGPT is completely free to use, no credit card, no catch, and in the next 4 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to use it, step by step, even if you have zero experience with artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you will know how to sign up, how to actually talk to it, and 5 real things you can do with it today that will save you time. Stay until the end, because the last tip is the one most people never figure out on their own. Step 1. How to sign up for free. Let's start with how to get access. Open your browser, the Google account, a Microsoft account, or an email address, all free. Once you are signed in, you will land on this page. This is the free version, and this is what we will use for this entire tutorial. You do not need to upgrade. The free plan gives you access to GPT-4o Mini, which is already incredibly powerful for most tasks, more than enough to get started. Step 2. How the chat interface works. Before we get into what you can do with it, let me quickly show you how the interface works. It is very simple. This big text box at the bottom is where you type. This is called the prompt, basically your question or request to the AI. On the left side, you have your chat history. Every conversation you start is saved here automatically. You can click on any of them to go back. To start a new conversation, click this pencil icon or new chat button at the top. That is really all there is to the interface. Now, let us talk about the good stuff, how to actually use it. 5 things you can do with ChatGPT today. Here are 5 real use cases, things that will actually save you time today. Number 1, writing emails. Type this. Write a professional email to my manager asking for a day off next Friday. Keep it short and polite. Look at that. In 2 seconds, you have a complete, ready-to-send email. You can ask it to make it shorter, more casual, or add a specific reason. It will update instantly. Number 2, summarizing. Paste any long article and type, summarize this in 5 bullet points. Perfect for news articles, reports, or anything you don't have time to read fully. Number 3, explaining complex topics. Try this. Explain compound interest like I am 10 years old. This is one of the most useful things ChatGPT does. It simplifies things you don't understand. Number 4, brainstorming. Type, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about cooking for beginners, or swap cooking for your topic. It will give you more ideas in 5 seconds than most people think of in an hour. And number 5, the one most people miss. Paste anything you wrote, a caption, a message, a paragraph, and say, improve this. Make it sound more professional. It rewrites it instantly. And that is it. ChatGPT from zero to actually useful in under 4 minutes. The best way to get better at this is just to use it every day. The more specific your prompts, the better the answers you get. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep learning.